flowering trees going on well. Hello to my people. Welcome back. Today I am reaping my coca so that I can make my coca butter. Yes, and with that, I'm also going to take you on a herb tour, showing you some of the herbs that I have here on my farm. All right, so you want to stay connected for that and just ride with me and enjoy the journey. All right, so let's go. I know what that means, right? Sour. I'm gonna take you down under the tree with me so you can see what's happening. I only have two so far in my basket. Hopefully I don't roll away right now. Whoa! I'm gonna pick them and put them in my basket. They're well ripe. They kind of really hard to come off. Come on. There it is. And that's my dog right here. You know he's not leaving me out. He's helping me to pick as well. In his own way. Alright. A whole lot under here. Whole lot of coca. So I can make my coca butter. These are slippery. So I just used the bamboo to pick a few, and I'm going down for them. I'm telling you, here it's very slippery. It is very slippery. Here's the bamboo. I'm going down nicely. And right here we have some cocoa. This is the palm tree. And right here we have some yam growing. Seeded yam. That's a seed. And right here we have a little, coffee tree. We used to have a coffee farm. So we have a few coffee remaining. Alright, so you can see them nicely. So here is it right here. You can see exactly how it's looking. Right, so that's the coffee. We're going down because we have to pick up the cocoa. And here we have a whole lot of arrowroot, my people. A lot of arrowroot here. And very soon we will have arrowroot to harvest. Alright, very soon. You can see them right here. These are arrowroots. Alright, and here we have a small apple tree. Right here is cool, so we have a lot of things doing very well right here. Alright, so I'm going down. Woo! We're turning over. And here are the cocoa. The cocas. We have some right here to pick up. We have one right here. And then I'm gonna put it in my pan right there. So we have a whole lot. As you know, we have to harvest so we can have much for the butter. Right? And those of you will see on my channel that I did speak about the purple watergrass, which is excellent for diabetes, and here it is. It is excellent for diabetes, so you can check that out on my channel. I did that for you. All right, so let me see. I have a whole lot more, but I see something that I want to show you. I just spotted you see what that is? I just spotted a bird nest. Look at this. This is a bird nest. It's been a long while I haven't seen one of these. So I want to see if there's anything in it. Seems as if it's abandoned. Wow. These are the things you experience in country life. Okay? And here is a good broadleaf. Elephant ears, I think it is. It's good for pain. Down to get the rest. We have some right here. Right here, I have a sweet potato vine. It's going on well, running all over the place. See, I have some more cocoa right there. And I want to go down to see if I find a few more. And right here we have a big ant's nest. So this is what the ants they live in. It's a huge nest. But here you have the herb that's good for pain. It is the elephant ears, or some people call it the cow hoof. This is an excellent herb for pain. Relieves pain fast. And right here I want to show you another herb. It is the quaker, and it runs wild. So this is the quaker herb right here. This is how it looks, and it is excellent for the skin. If you have breakout on the skin, you have rash, you have eczema, it is excellent for that as well. And this is how it looks, and that is the quaker herb. All right, that's how it looks. And coming up over on this side is another herb, and I was telling you about this one. We use it as edging, but it is called orela, and it is a powerful herb for cough and congestion. Yes, it does help you with that, and it is called the orela herb. You can see the leaves clearly to see how exactly they're looking, especially the edging. You can't miss the orela herb. This is what it's looking like. All right, and right here is a lemon tree as well, and we also use lemon leaves. These are thick lemon leaves to also make tea. It does help with congestion as well. So a lot of herbs are here, and we are really making good use of them for sure. Over here we have the flowering of the quaker herb, as you can see right there. And right here we have another powerful herb, and this is called the knit bone, or some of you know it as the comfrey herb. It can be taken in a tea and beat into a poultice and put on your affected bone or sprain problem. And I have another arrowroot right here. It's a cocoa right there. But what I want to show you again is this herb. This herb is, oh my gosh, so good, people. This carries an awesome aroma, and this is a herb that is excellent for worm. Yes, this is what you call the semi-contra. Yes, it is so strong. I love this herb so much. I just make tea with it just for making, just for the love of, just for the scent and the taste. It's so good. And these are the seeds. Let me allow you to see it up and close. The seeds. So here I have it for you to see up and close. So these are the seeds, and these are what fall off and allow more semi-contra herbs to grow. All right, and these herbs just sprout up all over the place because of the seeds. So this is another powerful herb for you if you're struggling with worm infestation, parasites. This herb does help to get rid of that. And right here we have some black mint. Wonderful tea this makes. And right here we have another herb, and we call this jacana. That's what we call this. Makes good tea as well. And the jacana is good for digestive problems. It is also good for high blood pressure. All right, so this is a jacana. This is how the leaves are looking. Let me show you it up close, a little bit closer, so you can see the leaves properly. And it carries seeded ends like these, and then it will drop and bring more jacana herb. All right, and it's right beside my orange tree. There's my orange tree right there. That's what's going on here. And here we have a nice palm tree coming up on this side here. And right here we have the Spanish needle herb. And this also can be steamed like callaloo. So one of these days I will definitely do it for you so you can see it eaten. Yes? So these are great herbs for you, my people. Great benefits as well.